What's up, y'all? Back outside. It is beautiful outside today. Oh my God. I'm drinking my coffee. Oh, it's so pretty outside today. Oh my God. Y'all, it couldn't be prettier. Are you kidding me? Look at the sky. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Oh, I wish I was off today, y'all. I swear I would go and take a walk. I just want to come out here and bask in a little sun because I'm cooking today and we're gonna have an Indian dish. Either we're gonna have butter chicken or curry chicken, one of those, with samosas. It's gonna be delicious. And I'm gonna cut up some cucumbers because I need to eat these cucumbers, y'all, before they go bad. Delicious. Or maybe I could have some sauteed kale. That would be good. Freaking yum. We need to start cutting some of these green onions. They're starting to fold over. Oh God, I just love watching my kale grow. I love it so much. Anyway, I just wanted y'all to see what I was saying. Guess what my son just did? He literally came and hugged me so tight, gave me a kiss, and y'all, he was talking. I couldn't understand what he was saying, but maybe he was saying, "I love you so much, mama." Like, that's what I think he was saying, y'all. Like, oh my God, I couldn't believe it. Yeah, y'all, Jaden doesn't do that much at all. He doesn't. Like, he hangs on to his daddy. Like, nobody else gets the love that Murder Show gets, honestly. Nobody. Nobody. And, you know, I give him love and I just wait on the day that, you know what I'm saying, that he wants to give it back. And baby, today was the day. He gave me a kiss and a hug, y'all. And he was talking as he was doing it. Oh my God. I literally hug and kiss Jaden every single freaking day. And after I do, he'll tell me to get out of his room. He literally will tell me to get out of his room. That's what he says most of the time. But y'all, he just came in my room. I was uploading a video. And he put his tablet down and gave me the tightest hug and the cutest kiss on the cheek, y'all. I just couldn't believe it. I mean, he's done that before, but baby, it's every blue moon. If you have an autistic child, comment and let me know if you can feel me, okay? Because a lot of people won't be able to understand that. But yeah, I'm happy for the entire day today. You hear that bird? That sounds like a seagull, but seagulls, don't they just hang out? I don't know. Anyway, it sounds like a seagull. I'm sure it wasn't though. Anyway, gotta go. What up, y'all? So we are I changed my mind. I changed my mind, y'all. We are having grinder sliders. I've never made grinder sliders. And have I ever made a grind? Oh, I have made a homemade one. Anyway, not a slider though, a sandwich. But we're making sliders today out of these. Okay, like y'all, I have limited like buns and stuff that I can use for things because you know, they don't have like really small like slider buns that are keto that are good. Okay, they have them, but I don't like them. Okay, I don't like the texture. I love the texture of these. Okay, these are the sweet and buttery Sola buns. So what I'm gonna do is, because the recipe is you're supposed to have like a bunch of them. You're supposed to like cut the middle and do all that. But I'm gonna have 2. So I'm just gonna have to, you know, do them how I can do them, basically. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get it done. Okay. And we're gonna put the meats on here, and then we're gonna make the salad part. All right, so I don't need these 2 buns. You're gonna need all the meat and stuff that you wanna put on your sandwich. I'm gonna be using, what is this? I would have rather the meat from the deli, but baby, do you know how much that meat was a pound? $14. I wasn't doing it. This was $3. This was $3. Okay? So I'm gonna put down this meat first. Let me look at the what are the carbs on this? Oh, okay, 1 gram. Okay. Wait a minute, is there sugar in here? 1 gram. Okay. Wait, we'll go this way. Okay. And I'm gonna heat my oven to, I think, 350 is what it's supposed to be. Okay, so the tops of these buns are supposed to be down this way. Okay, so they can toast on top. And you put however much meat you want on yours. Yeah, it's a sandwich kind of day today, honey. First, I was gonna get some wings. I was like, no, I just had some barbecue wings. Like, I don't want no freaking wings. And then I didn't want to freaking cook, so I'll probably cook tomorrow. You know, it was one of those kind of days. One of those. I want my stuff thick. Thick. That enough meat? Okay. Then we're gonna go in with some pepperoni. We got some salami also. Or how do you open this? Because I don't want to open it the wrong way. It don't even have opening instructions. Really? This is my favorite pepperoni. It's pork and beef. Oh, great. Ooh, it smells good. Oh my God. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with some salami. Oh, y'all, I'm about to have the whole house to myself. I'm so happy. Yay. Oh, God, come on. Oh, my God. My hands are slippery. That's why it's not opening. Come on, girl. I do not have time for this. Open. There we go. Salami. You see, it's 4 pieces of salami, 4 pieces of salami over there. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with our provolone cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. People use different cheese. They use the cheese that they like the best. And this is what I like for sandwiches. Come on, girl. Okay. We're gonna do 2 pieces of provolone. Boom, just like that. This is gonna go in the oven until this cheese melts and things, you know, and the tops of these buns get a little toasty. We are also going to melt some garlic and herb butter, and we're gonna add some grated Parmesan cheese to it and brush the tops, but y'all will see that a little bit later. Okay, this is going in on 350, and just gauge how much time it needs for when it's ready. All right, y'all, before you put them in there, you have to brush these with the butter and stuff. Okay, so you're gonna have to use how much butter you think you need for yours, because you might be making more sliders than me. So I'm just gonna use about that much. It looks like a tablespoon. And I'm going to melt that in the microwave. If you already don't have herbs and stuff in your butter, put some parsley in there. And then after this comes out, we're gonna put some grated Parmesan cheese in here. It should take about a minute. And then we're gonna brush the sauce on with brush. All right, y'all, so it's melted. Now we're just gonna pour some of this parm in there. Use however much you want. I am literally just eyeballing. This is probably enough. Stir that up. And then just put that on top of the bun, and then we're gonna throw this in the oven. And also add some garlic if you don't have any garlic butter already ready. Garlic butter, add garlic, minced garlic. All right, this is going in the oven right now. That's what it should be looking like. All right, y'all, I'm about to make the salad. Okay, so I already chopped up some red onions. I put some lettuce in here. You're supposed to use iceberg, like shredded lettuce. I used the lettuce that I had in my house. All right, so to this, we're gonna add some mayo. And I am eyeballing. That's like 3.5 tablespoons. Some red wine vinegar. This is the stuff that really takes it to the next level, in my opinion. That much oregano. Oh, that's it. Oh my God. No more oregano. All right. Then some of these banana peppers. Take some of the juice out. The sliced kind, y'all. Just like that. Then I saw somebody add some grated Parmesan to there, so I think it's gonna be delicious. So I'm gonna add some to mine. And that is it for mine. So we're just going to mix this together. Oh my God, really? Just combine it, make sure all of the lettuce has the sauce on it. And y'all, you can actually eat this as a salad, y'all. It is just so good. And you can put some pepper on here too. I think I want some pepper on mine. I want some more of this. Oh yeah. If it's too thick, just add some more red wine vinegar. It'll thin it out a bit and add lots more acidity, which that's what I love. Okay, so we're gonna put this to the side because we're gonna put this on the sandwiches as soon as they come out of the oven. Oh gosh. Boom. All right, so let's put up all this stuff. All right, y'all, so this is what they looking like. Why, I don't know why the tops of my buns look like they got a disease, but I am cutting some tomato. All right, just like that. 2 pieces for each side. Okay. Now we just about to put it together. And though y'all can tell I don't have a waist trainer or anything on today. This is my belly. Yeah, still working on it. All right, so we're just gonna gather this up. You put however much you want on your sandwich. I want lots of this stuff. It's so good. It literally makes the sandwich. I'm gonna make sure I have lots of red onion on there. And pepper. peppers. Boom. I probably should have put the tomato down first. Y'all, put your tomato down first. Put that down first. Boom. Just like that. These are organic tomatoes. I don't know why I told y'all that, but not that it even freaking matters. Oh my God, this top is toasted to the gods. I do mean toasted, jeez. Okay, so I thought I was gonna use this as a serving plate, but I'm not. I'm just gonna get a regular plate. Get my sandwiches up off of there. Boom. Just like that. I wish I had a pickle, but I don't have any more. I used them last time. I ate. I forgot what I used that pickle with, y'all. I forgot. Come on now. You should be sliding everywhere. It already look good. Freaking delicious. Freaking delicious. All right, y'all. So I already poured my water. Now we're just gonna use some. Actually, we're just gonna use what we have left. Is this strawberry watermelon? That's what the sandwiches look like. They look freaking amazing. Stow away these tomatoes. And let's not forget about some chips. Definitely need chips. We'll just put some on both sides so it can look filled up. Just like that, y'all. That's it, peeps. That's it. All right, y'all. Let's do this. Ooh. That looks amazing. Should we do it like that? How should we do it, y'all? I don't like the way that looks like it's... Okay. Okay. Was that a good picture? Let me move this. Let's try it this way. Okay. Lego. Oh, I made some homemade grinder sandwiches, y'all. Didn't that look amazing? Yummy, delicious. And we have some chili lime protein chips with a strawberry watermelon flavored water. Yes, y'all. Look at that. Yummers. What up, y'all? So I wanted to open this up on camera from my girl, Framed by Quiche, Bling Boutique. And she is located in Houston, okay? I ordered this with my own money. Let me show ya. Girl, I know I didn't just... Oh my God! I knew this freaking nail was gonna come off. I'll just glue it back on. Anyway.
I want y'all to see the inside of this. Y'all, look at what you're gonna get. Like, she is about everything bling, y'all. Like, everything. Y'all should see her TikTok. Take a screenshot. Oh, my lights are in the way. Can y'all see that? Anyway, take a screenshot of this. She's framed by Quiche Bling Boutique, the bling guru. I mean, when I tell you everything bling. What is this? Her Instagram is framed by Quiche Bling Boutique. Her TikTok is framed by Quiche Bling Boutique. Everything, y'all, on every social media. She even has a YouTube. I didn't know she had a YouTube. My chocolate sister. Thank you for the order. Please enjoy your new sparkling item. Please know all items are handmade and require proper care for longevity. Please keep items clean. Do not drop. Most of all, go and slay the day away with your new bling items, honey. Thank you. Thank you, girl. Oh my God, I don't even want to open it. Look at these hearts. Y'all, I'm obsessed with everything cute, pretty, and pink. Oh my God. Y'all, look at this. Quiche, I am obsessed. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. That's how excited I get about anything pretty. Oh my gosh. I haven't got anything so pretty in such a long time. Look at this pen. Y'all, look at how cute this is. Y'all, I love anything girly. Look at this. I love this. Oh my gosh. And y'all, girl, I be wanting a pen of my own. You know what I'm saying? Like, anyway, she put little candies in here and this lollipop. Look at that. Of course, I can't have it, but I can give it to Jaden. Girl, no, you didn't. Y'all, look at this. This is for the back of your phone. Girl, I love that. Look at this phone case. Y'all, it's heavy. Look at how beautiful. Look at that. Just look at it. Look at that. This? Are you kidding me? Girl, those are black fingers holding a nail polish bottle. Those are brown freaking fingers, the same color as me. Y'all, look at the eyelash right there inside of the heart. Look at the lipstick. Oh my, everything is just blinged out. Y'all, I don't know why that toilet keeps doing that. It didn't start doing that until they left. After my video, it just started doing that. Like, I'm like, why is it doing that? Y'all, look at the gold rose. Just, and it says Yummy Bites. I am so through. I forgot my phone. It's right there. I am so, oh my God, there was stickers hiding right. Y'all, she put stickers up in here. Yeehaw. Oh my God, XOXO. Yo, I know you live in like a dream house. I know you do. I just know it's cute. Oh my goodness. And a bow. I am obsessed with this. Girl, you are talented. Girl, I can't wait to put my phone in here and read the comments. And read the comments. Y'all. And I asked her, I said, if she could make sure like the camera could see through here. But I mean, if the camera can't, well then, you know, I can't have it on there 24/7, you know, especially when I'm and this is durable. Like this is, y'all, this is quality. This part right here, this is plastic, so like it bends, you know, so you can get your phone in there. You know what I'm saying? Like, what? Like, she did exactly what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted, y'all. Y'all better go get y'all one. I'm going to leave her information in my description box on this channel. Sis, I'm going to shout you out on the mukbang channel also tomorrow. Oh, God, I hope I remember. I probably will, because I'm going to have my phone in this. Girl, like, the packaging is super nice. I love it. I love it. And y'all are gonna love it too. Oh my gosh. How do I, okay, well. Oh my goodness. Girl, I'm about to put this back in the box, honey. Like, it's a present, girl. Oh, shoot, here's a note. Y'all, thank you so much for choosing me. Of course. Girl, I have been looking at your stuff for a while. I should have been ordered, honestly. I should have been ordered. But she says, thank you so much for choosing me to, choosing me to, oh, girl, you and this daggone handwriting. It's so pretty, too, y'all. Look at her handwriting. It's pretty. Girl, you just do everything pretty, don't you? And she pretty, too, y'all. She is pretty, too. Choosing me to, let's see, custom phone case. I just wanted to let you know that you are a big inspiration to me and others. Even the haters that stay in your comments. Oh, sis! Thank you. Oh my God. Keep letting your light shine. Oh. God bless you and your family. Much love. Girl. Thank you so much. Like, that was so sweet. I appreciate that so much. Y'all better go order y'all a phone case. Like, she has other stuff too. Go to her website. I'm telling y'all, click on that website. Click on it. I'm gonna make sure that it's in there. Like, I am going to make sure that their website is in that description box. Thank you so much. I appreciate the product and the freaking packaging. You are doing your thing, okay? I just want to let you know that. And you keep doing your thing. Like, I know you got to be successful doing this, because like putting out product like this is amazing. And this is handmade. Y'all, this is handmade. Like, you must be a busy girl. You must be a busy girl, because, girl, I was opening it and I was like, oh, hell no, I gotta open this on camera. Like, she got stickers on the front of the box. I can't show y'all the front because they got my address on it, but yeah, she got these little cute stickers before you even open it, girl. Stuff like that makes me scream, y'all, and get really super happy. Thirsty McClurkin, y'all. Thirsty McClurkin. I'm in here by myself, y'all. I'm so happy. Yeah, and I don't like that toilet is doing that while everybody is gone, because that's the first time I ever heard it do that. Like, it keeps running. Like, it'll do it on and off, running. Why is it doing that? Anyway, I was opening up all of the packages and stuff that I had gotten. And yeah, so that's when I'm in the midst of doing. I'm almost done. I'm trying to see what I'm supposed to be making videos on and stuff that I'm not supposed to be making videos on. So I'm just going through everything, y'all. Y'all are not seeing that because, like, I just don't want my address, you know. I know it's already been leaked, but I don't want it to be leaked again. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes when you open the packages, you just don't know what's showing. And I just want to be safe, you know? So let me go finish.